Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful mini Vivaldi 2, the Spaziale mini Vivaldi 2 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because there was low pressure and it just needed an overall maintenance, but it turns out it definitely needed a major maintenance on this machine. We had to replace the boiler of the machine itself. There is so much sediment, scale buildup on this thing. You can hear it shaking, like if all that little sediment is just completely surrounding the entire heating element, boiler, everything in there basically. And we had to remove all the fittings from the boiler, everything, disconnect the entire thing from the whole system, from the whole machine. The whole other boiler is located right here. We also had to make sure nothing would leak and just run a bunch of water through the entire system once we were descaling it. And there was a lot of scale buildup on the brew boiler. That's the only one we didn't really replace, but we ended up replacing this one. So this one is in really good condition. The newer one that is inside is in really good condition. So yeah, we did a lot. Once we had that running over there, we also had to replace the two-way sonar valve that you see right here. As you can see, there's some scale buildup inside, and it was completely clogging up the entire hot water valve, and nothing was able to come out. It was just barely dripping. It got so worse to the point that nothing was just coming out. It was just completely clogged with scale buildup. The same sediment that you see right here. This stuff was all over the machine. We also had to replace the shower screen, and as you can see, it's not looking the best. It's just completely clogged with coffee. The gasket was extremely hard to remove. We had to really use some of our good tools to basically break it down and just able to remove it. Once we got that removed, we polished everything inside, deep clean the portafilter, retest the machine, make sure there was no leaks again on the boiler or anything like that. And yeah, just run a lot of water and a whole day of testing this machine. So thankfully everything is perfectly fine. Everything's working great. The pressure is being stable the entire time it's been tested. There hasn't been any leaks or anything like that. So yeah, it's just been working great. And as you can see, the pressure of the machine is just amazing. It's just working the way it's supposed to. Hot water as well, it's working really great. Not clogged like it was before, just the way it's supposed to work. And yeah, so starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine, the portafilter side, and then we just conclude the video. Hopefully I pick up the right grand settings on this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, it went to the 9 bar, which is perfect. That is the quantity that the customer has, so I'm gonna redo that again as it needs a little bit more. Perfect. That will be 1 ounce, which is great. This is a double basket, so it will be, yeah, this is perfect. This is a good amount. Good shot of espresso, really good crema forming on the top, just working perfectly fine. Portafilter not leaking or anything. We replaced that gasket, like I said. Shower screen, shower flow from the shower head is just optimal. You see all these little lines that you're supposed to see in there. Just working perfectly fine. We did a lot of work with this machine, but now it's just working. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.